Best hanging plants indoor. Greetings, fellow nature enthusiasts, and welcome to a verdant voyage through the fascinating world of indoor plants. Join me as we delve into the top 20 best hanging plants, each a breath of fresh air for your home. From the intricate foliage of ferns to the cascading elegance of vines, these wonders elevate your living spaces and purify the air. Prepare to be captivated by their diversity and resilience. Our journey begins with the spider plant, a champion of air purification, known for neutralizing toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. The Boston fern's cascading fronds resemble a verdant waterfall. It thrives in humidity, perfect for your bathroom or kitchen. The English ivy, with its timeless elegance and air-purifying prowess, has graced homes for centuries. Its trailing vines add a touch of sophistication to any room. Chapter 4. String of Pearls, a Delicate Cascade. Be mesmerized by its delicate strands adorned with pearly spheres. This unique succulent thrives in bright indirect light and needs infrequent watering. Chapter 5. Pothos, the Resilient Climber. The pothos, a symbol of resilience, climbs effortlessly, its heart-shaped leaves adding vibrancy to your home. Its trailing vines grow impressively, creating a stunning display. Chapter 6. Burrow's Tail, a favorite among plant lovers. Beloved by plant enthusiasts for its unique look, the burrow's tail with its cascading stems and plump leaves is a true conversation starter. Heartleaf philodendron, a touch of the tropics. Its lush, heart-shaped leaves bring a touch of the rainforest to your living spaces, creating tranquility and serenity. Maidenhair fern, a delicate beauty. With its delicate fan-like fronds, it adds an ethereal touch to any room. This ancient plant prefers shady spots and moist environments, ideal for a dimly lit corner. Lipstick plant, a burst of color. Add vibrant red flowers to your home with the lipstick plant. These flowers, resembling lipstick tubes, emerge from dark green foliage, creating a stunning contrast. Chapter 10. The arrowhead plant, with its arrow-shaped leaves, adapts to various light conditions, making it a versatile choice for any room. Chapter 11. The bird's nest fern, with its crinkled fronds, purifies air, removing toxins and improving air quality. Its unique look adds a touch of the wild to your home. Chapter 12. The Hoya plant, known for its resilience and waxy, star-shaped flowers, thrives in bright, indirect light. Its fragrant blooms fill the air with a sweet aroma. Chapter 13. String of Hearts, a Cascade of Elegance. The string of hearts, with its cascading strands and heart-shaped leaves, is a testament to nature's artistry. Its beauty adds romance to any space. Chapter 14. Creeping Fig, a fast-growing climber. Transform your walls into living tapestries. This fast-growing climber clings effortlessly to surfaces, its lush foliage creating a verdant backdrop. Chapter 15. Staghorn Fern, the Majestic Epiphyte. The staghorn fern, an epiphyte that grows on trees, adds an exotic touch to your home. Its antler-like fronds make a bold statement, creating a focal point in any room. Chapter 16. The asparagus fern, with its feathery foliage, adds airiness and texture to indoor spaces. It thrives in bright indirect light. Chapter 17. The peperomia family boasts diverse species, each with unique leaf shapes, colors, and textures. From watermelon to ripple peperomia, there's a variety for every taste. The inch plant is incredibly adaptable, thriving in various indoor environments. Its ease of care makes it perfect for both novice and experienced plant parents. Add whimsy to your home with the chenille plant. Its fuzzy caterpillar-like flowers resemble soft red chenille yarn. Our verdant voyage concludes with the golden pothos, a radiant beauty with heart-shaped leaves and golden hues. Its air-purifying qualities and ease of care make it a top choice. As our journey through the world of indoor hanging plants comes to an end, embrace the transformative power of nature. Let these botanical wonders breathe life into your homes, purifying the air and elevating your living spaces. Every leaf tells a story, every vine whispers resilience, and every bloom is nature's artistry. Like this video, share it with fellow plants.